What's up everyone and welcome to the club. Today I'll be showing you a simple method on how to draw Thor. Let's begin today's lesson in the center page at the bottom edge of the helmet. We're going to start with a straight line going across the middle. From the ends, let's angle this up and then out towards the top. Now I want to layer the eyebrows in underneath. From these 2 points, bend this down and out. And curve the eyebrow going up and then out towards the ends. Now from the end, we want to taper this so it gets wider as you come back in underneath the edge of the helmet. Now I want to tuck the eyes in underneath. From the outside of the eyebrow, I'm going to step in, draw a circle, go all the way around, and we're just going to pull that up towards the inside point, and then just line that up on the right. Let's add a small circle along the top for highlight. And we'll fill the bottom of the eyes in black. Now with the eyes in place, we're going to move to the center and draw the bottom edge of the nose, starting on the left. Curve this down, and then bend that up. Now let's move up and draw a short curve going up and down across the bridge of the nose. From the bottom of the nose, let's step down and add the mouth. We're going to curve this up and then down. Step down, draw a short line going across the lip. Now I'm going to go back up and continue around the inside of the helmet. Let's start over on the left, draw a straight line going out past the edge of the eyes. Come straight down. Now from here, we're just going to bend this down and then in. Let's draw a straight line coming down just past the chin area. And then we'll go back in, draw the top edge of the mustache. From the nose on the left, we're going to step down, bend this out, and then down in behind. Now from the bottom of the helmet, we're going to step up and draw the beard. We're going to come down and then in towards a point in the middle. Now we're going to go back up to the top and draw on the wings. From this point, angle this up and then out towards the side. Let's flatten this off, coming down. And I'm just going to trace this back, coming in towards the side of the head. Now from here, we're going to come all the way down towards the bottom of the jaw. So we come down and make sure this is a little bit higher than that line on the inside. Then we'll connect these 2 lines across the bottom with a curve. Let's go back to the top of the wing. We're going to step in, draw a straight line coming down, and line that up on the right. Angle this down and then in towards the side of the head. Let's separate this area into 3 sections with 2 lines. Now I want to draw on the top of the helmet. With this line, I'm going to line this up along the top and go up, round out the helmet, go across, and then bring that down on the right. Let's go up to the top in the center. We're going to add a point, going up and then down. Let's trace these lines along the top. So we're just going to add a trim, coming in, come down and flatten off the bottom, then go up towards the right. Now with the head in place, let's draw on that hair going across the shoulders. We're going to start from the side of the helmet, start by coming down and out, and then we're just going to bend that in. Let's do the same thing on the right, coming out and then back in. Let's add a point, going up towards the top. Let's add another point, coming down and in. Bend this up underneath the helmet. Now in between the beard and the hair, we're going to draw 2 circles, one on the left and one on the right. And then we're going to tuck the cape in behind those circles. Starting on the left, we're going to bend this up and out on both sides. Let's go to the outside. We're going to bend the body, going out and then down towards the hips. And close off the hip with a curve. Let's move up, draw another curve for the top of the belt. Leave a gap in the center and draw 2 lines for the belt buckle. Now we move down and in and draw 2 more circles. And then from the buckle, we're going to step down, add a curve going up and down. Leave a gap in the center, go to the left side. We're going to bend the leg going out and then down towards the left heel. Move over towards the right, go out and down towards the right heel. Let's round out the bottom of the feet. We're going to start from the left heel, curve the foot coming down and up towards the outside. And then we want to round out the top of the foot. Starting from the outside, we're going to go up. I'm going to bend this down like a half circle. We're sort of aiming towards the heels. Now we're going to go back up to the hips and draw the outside of the leg, going out and then down on top of the feet. Let's add a thick sole across the bottom. We're going to take this curve, step up, and just trace that across on both sides. From the top of the foot, we're going to step up and add another curve for the edge of the boot. Let's step down again and just trace that out. Now we're going to go back up to the top and draw in the arms. I'm going to start with the arm on the left holding the hammer. So we start from the side of the hair, draw a short curve coming down and out towards the wrist. We're going to add the thumb going up, bend the thumb coming down, round out the tip of the thumb and go back up. Let's wrap 3 fingers around the handle. Starting from the side of the thumb, we draw a half oval, going out and then in, come down to the bottom, draw that again, going up underneath the thumb, and we'll do that one more time. Let's layer the handle in behind the hand. From the bottom finger, we're going to draw 2 straight angled lines coming down and round out the bottom. Now we're going to line this up above the hand, going up towards the top. Let's add a rectangle. We'll start with a straight angled line going across the bottom, go up the sides, and we'll flatten this off. Now on the left and right side, we're going to add a bevel. From the corners, we're going to pull this in, and then flatten that off. Let's add some texture inside the handle, these lines going across. Now going back to the wrist, we're going to draw the edge of the palm coming down. We just want to tuck that out in behind the handle, and then from the bottom, bend the arm coming in and then up towards the side of the body. Let's separate the arm in half with a curve. Now with the inside of the arm, we're going to line this up over on the right, going out and then down towards the wrist. From the wrist, draw a half circle for the thumb, close off the end with a bracket. Now we're going to layer 3 fingers along the bottom. Start from the thumb, coming down and up around that bracket, go to the side, bend the second finger, and then the third finger, we're going to go all the way up in behind the hair. Now going back to the thumb, we're going to draw the edge of the cuff, going out and then up, step up, and draw that again. Now I want to layer the cape in behind the body. Let's start underneath the arm. Start by curving this down and then out. Let's go underneath the hand on the right, do the same thing. Close off the bottom with a curve going in behind the legs. And then we'll sign our art and add a splash of color, and that's pretty much it. There's a cartoon illustration of Thor. I hope you enjoyed today's lesson. If you do, please be sure to subscribe for more videos each week where I'll show you how to draw different characters just like this. I want to thank you for watching, and I'll see you again soon.